And more news coming in at this point. CBI has searched the residence of Anil Deshmukh. This is an arrest warrant against Anil Deshmukh's son, is what we understand. Delhi, Nagpur and Mumbai is where the searches have happened at premises related to the Deshmukh and his family. Those are the details here coming in at this point in time. This is the latest as far as Anil Deshmukh is concerned. This is the arrest warrant against Anil Deshmukh's son, is what we understand, and multiple places are being searched at this point in time. This includes Delhi, Nagpur and Mumbai, and specifically premises that are related or linked to Anil Deshmukh or his family in any way. Those are the details here. The CBI is carrying out these searches at this point. Bhavtosh is joining us for more details. Bhavtosh, what can you tell us about these latest developments here, arrest warrant against Anil Deshmukh's son?
Well, in fact, searches are being carried out in Mumbai and also in Nagpur. Now, this relates to the case pertaining to the leakage of a preliminary inquiry report that was prepared by the Central.
All right, we seem to have lost that line with Bhavtosh. All right, Bhavtosh is back with us. Yes, Bhavtosh, please go ahead.
Well, the entire case pertains to CBI filing a case against its own official and also a lawyer. Now, the CBI preliminary inquiry that CBI had prepared was purposely leaked, and this pertains to a report that was prepared by the this case was prepared by the CBI, and this report was purposely leaked. Now, once this report was leaked, there was a lot of hue and cry. And CBI said that some officials of CBI were complicit in this. CBI, in fact, arrested a sub-inspector and also arrested a lawyer who, in fact, was hired by Anil Deshmukh. Now, raids are presently being carried out in Mumbai and also in Nagpur. These premises are that of Anil Deshmukh. Now, CBI has said that they have warrants to carry out raids and searches at premises that belongs to Anil Deshmukh. CBI has not issued any formal statement. Now, CBI has said that their investigation revealed that people close to Anil Deshmukh had in fact were involved in leakage of this preliminary inquiry report. Now, the preliminary inquiry report, which was prepared by CBI officials, had in fact said that whatever was being preliminary inquiry report was being prepared against Anil Deshmukh, that should be stopped, and there should not be any regular case against Anil Deshmukh. Once this preliminary inquiry report was in fact came out in media, there was a lot of embarrassment for the CBI. Subsequently, in September, a CBI lawyer as well as a CBI official was arrested by the CBI. They were taken on remand. CBI subsequently filed a case against them, and this present raids that are being carried out by the CBI are being carried out in that particular case. And CBI has said they have warrants against Anil Deshmukh's family member, and that's the reason raids are being carried out in Mumbai and also in Nagpur. Back to you.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.